Today we're going to talk about why when you spill milk it doesn't go everywhere and the forces that are incorporated into the milk. Milk is made of mostly water, but it's also made up of fats in the milk, and these fats like to stay together. So we're going to look at how we can break apart the forces that keep these fats together. So the first things that you need for this experiment are a shallow tray and some soy milk or whole milk, both of which have high fat content, which is what we're going to use to demonstrate the forces in the milk. Then you also need some food coloring, which is very similar to oil in that it will stick together and not mix with water. So we're going to put 4 different drops of food coloring around the center of the tray of the milk. And as you can see, the food coloring doesn't mix with the milk and it stays in one place. So the next part of the experiment, we're going to have the kids in your class make a prediction about what will happen if we touch the center of the milk with a clean Q-tip. As you can see, nothing at all happens because nothing is upsetting the forces that are holding the fat molecules of the milk together. So, in order to disrupt the forces, we're going to use detergent. And this detergent is going to force the fat molecules in the milk to disperse. And we can see that it has a large effect on the dye that is present in the milk by pushing it out of the center of the milk. So we're going to talk about what we learned through this experiment. First of all, we need to make it clear that milk is made up of fat molecules that like to stay together, and using detergent disrupts these fat molecules and causes them to spread away from the detergent as far as they can. This causes a disruption of the fat molecules. So you can apply this to everyday applications. One example is when you're washing dishes. As you scrub the dishes, you loosen up the fat molecules that are on the plate, and the fat molecules with the detergent that you put into it don't like to mix, so you can just rinse the fat molecules off of the plate. And another reason that spilt milk does not spread apart everywhere is because the fat molecules like to stay together.